Very good afternoon. A warm welcome in our channel. Today's topic will discuss how we can efficiently manage cybersecurity posture in our enterprise network. As you know, our landscape is always heterogeneous. We have various different kind of elements in our network. We have computing, we have network, we have endpoints. So we have already routers, firewalls, switches, desktops, laptops, servers, applications in our landscape as a part of our heterogeneous fabric. Now, moment cybersecurity comes into the picture, nowadays only having a firewall and only having an antivirus is not going to serve our purpose. So as we already know, we are already deploying various other tools and technologies. We are deploying endpoint EDR, we are having mail security kind of solution to protect against phishing. We are holding DDoS kind of security on the gateway level. We are having sandboxing. On top of that, we are having various other things like DLP, user behavior analysis, insider threat analysis. We have employee productivity monitoring. Besides, we are going to have PIM, FIM, different kind of this kind of solutions. We are going to have malware analysis. So different kind of tools. The moment we are having multiple tools and technologies in place, our life becomes more complex because we need to manage it proactively. Cybersecurity nowadays, it doesn't hold good if we act once some incident has happened. We need to act before something has happened. This we call incident management. So in this context, two different tools are coming very prominent, that is SIEM and another one is SOAR. That means what? All different elements put together in infrastructure and security, all the logs are being generated. We need to populate in a centralized console, and we need to analyze and we need to represent to the management so that they can, management or administrator, so that they can take diligent decisions. On top of that, moment we are talking about SOAR, which is called managed security. That means there will be playbooks based on the artificial intelligence and other machine learning kind of technologies, so that we can take some automated decisions also. So don't you think it becomes very complex? What happens, the organizations like us, we take care of entire management on your behalf. That means whatever I talked about so far, if you don't have any headache, the engineers, the consultant, the CISOs, the cybersecurity practitioners of our organization goes ahead and takes all the pain of managing security technology compliances processes on behalf of you and gives you a managed defense kind of a framework. Don't you feel it will be more interesting for you? What do you say? Looking forward for your valuable feedback. Thank you.